Welcome back, Flare community. Today, we're going to look at the latest feature to hit the NFTSO website, and that is the integration of the generator tool. Now, many of you may already be familiar with the generator tool. It's a tool which allows you to generate apes on the fly. It's something that's really incredible and never been done in crypto, let alone on the Songbird network. This is just a walkthrough of the very first collection, which is the Bored Apes Songbird collection. And as you can see here, it's a process of shuffling the traits yourself and dynamically generating an image. It's this image which can then be used to mint the NFT, dynamically user generated. Now, as you can see here, it was introduced on the Kings of Strategy website, but now it's actually been incorporated into NFTSO, which is the latest NFT marketplace to hit the Songbird network. So this is the landing page for NFTSO, and what we have here is the AASGB generator, the Anonymous Astronaut SGB generator. Now, if we give that a click, you may see that I am not eligible. The first thing that you're going to need is some shuffle credits or gen tokens, and these can be received in a number of ways, and you're also going to need a generator NFT. So if we go to the oven room up here in the top right, you're going to have numerous options, okay? Now, I was fortunate enough to get one of these, an Anonymous Astronaut collectible whitelist card. And if you're holding one of these, you'll be able to burn it for one of the AA generators. If not, you will have to buy the generator separately, or buy a whitelist card and then burn it for a generator. It's really simple. All you do is click on burn it, like this. Select the amount you want to burn. I only have one here. First, we need to actually approve the transaction, and this is approving the interaction with the smart contract. And then we can just actually go ahead and burn it. So click on burn here. And it's important to note that you should not just burn this any old way. You need to do this via the NFTSO website, because when you click burn it here, you're actually interacting with a smart contract. Now, if you already have Gen, then you are good to go. If you're not, then you will need what is called a shuffle pack. And each of these shuffle packs can actually be opened to accumulate the Gen token, or shuffle points or shuffle credits. Now, you can actually claim these with NFTP, which is an asset given as an additional incentive to those who delegate to BestFTSO. If you do not delegate to BestFTSO and you don't have any NFTP, you can buy this on the secondary market from people who have claimed them. So to run through that process very quick, it's the very same and very easy and intuitive. Click on burn, select an amount, and then click burn. All you have to do is approve the transaction, and you will see that the amount of shuffle packs that you own has decreased by 1, and the amount of gen tokens that you own or shuffle credits have increased by 5. If you click the wallet at the top, it shows you exactly how much NFTP points you have, but also how many shuffle points here. Perfect. It looks like we're all good to go. Let's go back to the home page and click on the AASGB generator. And now you can see that we have the option to shuffle. So all you have to do is click on shuffle and again, confirm. And there we go. I have shuffled my own astronauts, and each of these different trait layers have unique options. So you can actually see the details of them right here. And something that's really great to see is, the amount of percentages for each trait that's being delivered. So the helmet logo if we're looking at this one here, this is Chainlink, I believe, no one has actually minted this yet. Also with the headpiece, the NFTSO beanie, and this is because there's only a few that have been minted so far for development purposes. Again, we can just go ahead and shuffle, and each time you shuffle, you will have to confirm the transaction, and also your gen tokens will actually reduce by 1 with each shuffle. So if we give that a quick second, there we go. Looks like a Cardano, one with the bearable guy hat, which is pretty nice. And yeah, once you're finished with this process, all you have to do is click on Mint NFT and obviously confirm the transaction. Now, I'm going to reject this because I really want to keep shuffling. It's a lot of fun and highly addictive. So if you do want to actually check out the NFTs minted so far, there is a page here on NFTSO, which includes the collection, and it looks like we have 23 that have been minted. We do have some ambassadors which have been helping us test this, and yes, it is now live for everyone. So if you are interested, be sure to get yourself a generator NFT, get yourself some shuffle credits, and happy minting. We obviously started with the Bored Apes Songbird collection. This is the second collection, the Anonymous Astronauts, but trust me, this tool is going to be an absolute game changer, and you can only find it on NFTSO. So with that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.